Hey guys, today I've got this eagle claw minnow trap. Now I see a lot of people ask on these reviews and stuff, will it catch crawfish? Well, I think what they're worried about is this hole. Usually a crawfish trap has like a 2-inch hole. These minnow traps have like a 1-inch hole. And I think they're concerned whether the crawfish will actually go in that small hole or not. Now I could actually take some wire cutters and I could cut this hole out a little more. But then I've kind of defeated the purpose on my minnow trap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to put it in the road ditch, and we're going to see if it'll actually catch any crawfish. Now what I did is I got an orange sack that orange comes in. I just put some bacon in it, took some wire ties, or these are actually bread ties, and tied it inside. So let's put it together. The way you put it together, it just fits together like that. It comes with a clip. Clip it together like that. Let's go throw it in the road ditch and let's just see if it'll catch crawfish. Well, there it is. If it'll catch crawfish out of a road ditch, it ought to catch them in a creek. Let's wait a few hours and I'll be back and we'll pull it in. We'll see if we can catch any. See you in a little bit. Well, I'm back. It's been about 24 hours. As you can see by this road ditch, we got a heck of a rain last night. It's running. I'm going to pull this eagle claw minnow trap in, see if it'll catch some crawfish. Brought a little basket. I'm just going to put the crawfish in to look at them if we caught any. Then I'm going to turn them loose. So let's pull the basket in and see if we caught any. Well, it looks like we got a few. Let me dump them in here and see. Well, you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little ones. Got one about that size. I got one a little bigger. In my opinion, if you're catching small crawfish, this minnow trap probably works just fine. But if you're going to try to catch some of them great big crawfish, you probably either want to cut your hole out and make the hole bigger, or go ahead and just buy you a crawfish trap with a bigger hole. But to answer the question, yes, the minnow trap will catch crawfish, just may not catch the great big ones. Hey, I hope this fun video helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, catch you later.